Hello everyone, my name is Nilesh Shirawale and I am handling technical department in window division for Beautex. Today I will show you something new innovation in our window system. Here you can see our Dun Aluminium 70.2 series. We install here motorized system. You can see the operating right now. It's operated by motorized system.
Advantage of this system is that you can use this in internal partition as well as double-heighted windows that are inaccessible by hand.
We have three types of operating mechanism. One is the push button, and second one is the wireless sensor, and third one is the remote operable.